Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Derek and I am an author, illustrator, and educator on all things hammock. For the past 13 years, I've worked with major hammock brands on product innovation. I've taught clinics on hammock camping and even been a professional gear reviewer. On this channel, we're gonna get up close and hands-on with demonstrations connecting hammocks in real-world situations, applying knowledge from my book, The Ultimate Hang. My goal with this channel is to be a partner, to help you learn how to stay safe and learn the techniques to really get the most comfortable hang, learning how to stay dry, warm, and bug-free year-round. So obviously I have a huge bias towards hammocks, but I'm not blind to their limitations and weaknesses. So I'm not gonna try to convince you that a hammock is the perfect shelter in every situation. So I'm gonna try to be as honest as possible and not try to make sweeping generalizations. And keep me honest in the comments, all right? And with any luck, we'll also sneak in a couple of trips, keep up with current innovations, and generally just have a lot of fun. Hey, if you like this video, be sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and let other people know if what's working. Hang safe. And with any luck, we'll actually get this video done.